Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Copper CRM. Copper is a popular CRM that prides itself on being one of the best real estate CRM. It can also be used as a CRM for any other small or large business. As you can see right here, why Copper, if I were to tap on that, you can see it offers numerous integrations. You'll be able to track deals, get reports, and it also specializes in Google Workspace. And you'll be able to access their email marketing tools. Now to get started, you can sign up on Copper CRM for completely free, as they do provide you with a 14-day free trial period. As you can see, their basic plan starts off at $25 per month, and their business plan goes up to $119 per month. And by scrolling down, you can see the different features. So on the basic plan, you will get access to 2,500 contact, and you'll also get access to their Google Workspace integration, different pipelines, and you can also do team collaborations. And by scrolling down, you can see the different features. So if you want to read more about their features, you can simply go onto copper.com. Then from there, you could select pricing. But once you have signed up, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you can fill in some basic information. So you can fill in your company name, how big is your company. You can select solo or you can select more individuals, as you can see right here. Is this your first CRM? And I will select yes. Then from there, you can tap on next. After selecting next, you can select the industry that you're in. So you have agency, real estate, software technology, financial services, building and construction. For this example, I will select real estate. Then you are going to tap on next. After you have done that, you can choose whether you like to get their extension or you just want to start using Copper. For this tutorial, I'll tap on Start Using Copper. In the top right hand corner, you can see your duration of the free trial period right there. Now, the first thing that I would normally do once I'm on a CRM, I tend to add my contacts first. So you can tap on Add a Person, and from there you can manually add your contacts. Now, if you would like to import your contacts, if you already have a contact list, you could tap on Import Contacts, and from there you could select your CSV, or if you have it saved on an Excel sheet, you could tap on Excel. You can also import your contacts from Google Contacts, Salesforce, or Google Sheets. You can see that it gives you numerous integration options. So for example, if you have it on Insightly or so on, you can import your contacts right there by simply tapping on the platform that you have it on, as you can see there. Another thing I want you to do, let's tap on dashboard once more. Once on the dashboard, you can see the basic layout, which is why it is so popular. It is quite easy for user interface and to navigate around. But let's say we would like to add some companies. All you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on companies, then you tap on add a company. From here, you can fill in the company detail. So you can add the company name, the phone number, website, email address, and so on. Then you would tap on save. And to create your first pipeline, you could tap on pipelines. Then from there, you could tap on create a pipeline. And if this is your first time creating a pipeline, you could tap on master pipeline. And from there, you can watch their tutorial. After you have tapped on create a pipeline, from here, you can choose the category. So you'll get a template that you can use. So again, I'm going to tap on real estate. After selecting real estate, you can see 3 different categories. So let's say buyer agent, and I'm going to tap on next. Then tap on next again. After you have tapped on next, you can see create your pipeline. And from here, you could fill in the information, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, as you can see right there. So you can fill it in right down the line. And that's how you'll be able to create your pipeline. But it all depends on the category that you have chosen. And what I had stated earlier, if you're completely new to pipelines, you could tap on Master Your Pipeline right here to learn more. Another thing that you can also do, you can create your first task by going over to the left-hand menu option, tapping on Task. You can tap on Add a Task. And from here, you can add the task name. You can also scroll down and fill in the due date and so on. And if you would like to set a reminder, you can also do that right there. So you can also add the priority, whether it is high priority or not. You can tap right here and you could select that. Once you have created your first task, you could tap on Save. And if you would like access to their marketing tools, you can go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on Marketing Tools, then tap on Start Using Marketing Tools. From here, you can fill in your email domain. Then you'll tap on Yes, I agree, and you're going to tap on Continue. After you have tapped on Continue, you're going to give it a few seconds to load up. Once it loads up, you will be redirected to a new dashboard, as you can see right here. Just give it a few seconds to load up. Once it loads up, I will be showing you what to do next. From here, you can select the apps that you would like to connect to. So you have different farm apps. You can use Wix Farms, Elementor Farms, Contact Farm 7. Whichever one of these farms you would like to connect to, you can select it right there. And also, you can tap on Sequences. After tapping on Sequences, you can create your first sequence by tapping on Create New Sequence. After you have tapped on Create New Sequence, you will be led to a new dashboard. And from here, you can see the setup. It is quite straightforward. And you can also create on segment. You can create your first segment by tapping on Create Segment. Then you can add in the contacts. You can add in the segment name. You can add conditions, as you can see right there. And you can tap on Save Segment once it is finished. And if we were to tap on Web from the left-hand menu option, and you can also view all of your reports in one place by simply tapping on Reports. After tapping on Reports, you'll be able to view everything that is going on in your business. All you will need to do is tap on Request Access. And to add team members or invite persons to your platform, all you'll need to do is tap on Invite Users, enter their email address, then from there you can send invite. And if you like to see more options, you can tap right there and you can choose the position that you would want them in, whether you'd want to make them an admin or not. And that's basically it when it comes on to Copper CRM. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.